Hello everyone! Start off by painting the entire portion of the canvas in yellow. After this, paint on a little blue surface. Make sure that it's circular in nature. Then add the teeth, add the ears as well as lots of hair. Begin to add more and more hair as you progress with it. Do this with the paint as such. Do this all around, and then once you are done, don't forget to add in the rest of the little details. Add a little heart as well as the nose. Add multiple dots onto the nose. Finally, this is what it looks like. In order to do so, start off by taking canvas and then paint the background in pink and white accordingly. Take a darker shade of pink and then make a rough diagram or a rough painting on it. Add eyes and cute little teeth to it. Add horns as well, and then add legs as such. Then add multiple strands of hair as you progress. Do this for the bottom and the rest of the face as well. Once you are done with this, you may also cut off the excess portions of it. Finally, this is what it should look like. Add small details like the hands and the horns as well. Add little bits of white. Trace out a circular shape on a white sheet of paper. Color it in accordingly. Once you are done with it, it should look a little transparent. Then add a base to it, add a little nose as well as some blush. Connect the nose to the mouth accordingly. Add eyes to it as well. Add little whiskers once you are done with everything else. Color the background in yellow. Also, don't forget to flatten the hands by using some clay. Add a little collar to it as well. Add polka dots all around to make it look all the more better. Turn these polka dots into oranges or musambi. Finally, outline the eyes in black as such. Next, start off by taking a white canvas. Then add multiple rainbow-like lines to it. Continue on to draw small little houses at the top of this. Add little windows as well and little bits of blue. Next, begin to roll a ball as such. Once you are done with this, flatten out this roll ball of clay. Next, take some blue and then add it to the top of the yellow. Stick it all around. Finally, this is what it should look like. You may add multiple other creatures as such as well. Next, start off by drawing some grass at the bottom and then add some buds as well to make it look all the more realistic. Draw on the sun over there. You may also frame it once you are done. Next, start off by taking a white sheet of paper. Then you may color the rest of the sheet of paper. Add purple for the middle portion of it as such. Color on the bark of the tree. Once you are done with all of this, take a little bit of white paint. This would appear to be like snow. Add polka dots all around and then at the top, paint on your little star. Now, continue to add this effect as it makes it look like snow. Add little petals all around as well to make it look all the more better. Thank you for watching.